Good morning guys, today I will teach you chapter 1 of standard 7 integer exercise 1.1. Question 1 is number line shows temperature in a degree Celsius of different places on a particular days. Question 1 is of question 1. Observe the number line and write temperature of place mark on it. Means we have to see the number line and write the temperature given on the particular places. Now we have to just write place name which is given on the number line. So here I have written Lahul, Spiti, Srinagar, Shimla, Ooty and Bangalore, which is already on the number line. See here Lahul, Spiti. Lahul, Spiti is between -5 and -10. So after -5 it is -6, -7 and -8. So temperature of Lahul Spiti is -8 degree Celsius. Now for the Srinagar 0, -1 and -2. -2 degree Celsius. Shimla +5 degree Celsius. Ooty 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 degree Celsius. Bangalore 21, 22 degree Celsius. So here question number 1 is. Now question number 2 of question number 1. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? Here above given but our number line is below. So we have to see this number line given in the below. Now difference between two places, hottest and coldest. Hottest place, which one? Bangalore. So we have to write first of all hottest temperature of hottest temperature. What is hottest temperature? 22 degree Celsius. And second one is coldest temperature. Coldest temperature is equal to Lahul Spiti -8 degree Celsius. Now difference between, so here you can write difference. So difference between hottest temperature minus coldest temperature. Minus coldest temperature. Now here hottest temperature is 22 degree Celsius minus within bracket -8 coldest temperature. Now 22 degree Celsius, here minus as per multiplication rule it will be +8 degree Celsius. Now your answer will be 30 degree Celsius. So clear? It is your question number 2. Whenever difference is given, then we have to minus both the amount. So -22 minus -8. Your answer will be 30. Is that clear? Now question number 3 for question number 1. What is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? So here also difference is given. We have to subtract both the amount. Now difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. Write the temperature of first of all Lahul Spiti. So the temperature of Lahul Spiti is equal to minus 8 degree Celsius. Now temperature of Srinagar is equal to minus 2 degree Celsius. Now difference between is equal to temperature of Lahul Spiti, temperature of Lahul Spiti minus temperature of Srinagar. Or Srinagar. Now, what is the temperature of Lahul Spiti? Minus 8 degree Celsius. And temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Minus 8 degrees Celsius minus plus 2 degree Celsius. Now minus 8 plus 2, which is the biggest amount? 8 is the biggest amount among both. Now whenever minus and plus is given in addition or subtraction, then we have to see what is the sign of big amount. So here sign of big amount is negative, so we have to first of all put the minus, then subtract smaller amount from bigger amount. Which is smaller amount? 2. 8 minus 2 is 6, so your answer will be 6 degree Celsius. Is that clear? Now this section of the question 1, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together is less than the temperature of Shimla? Here we have to first of all add both the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla, then check whether it is less than at Shimla's temperature. Now question 2 is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Again same part, we have to check less than at Srinagar or not. First of all we have to add both the temperature. So here temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together. Temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius plus for the together, and temperature of Shimla is plus 5 degrees Celsius. Here your answer will be plus 3 because addition rule I have already explained in introduction part, so you can remind. Now temperature of Shimla is equal to 5 degrees Celsius. So we can say 3 degrees Celsius is less than 5 degrees Celsius. Therefore, temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together is less than the temperature of Shimla. This is your answer of first observation in here. Now second is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? So we have to see the temperature of Srinagar. Let's see. Here, temperature of Srinagar is -2 degree, -2 degrees Celsius. We can see -2 degrees Celsius is obviously less than the +3 degrees Celsius. But here question is it means together temperature is less than at the temperature of Srinagar? So our answer is not less than the temperature of Srinagar. Now we can write therefore the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together is not less than the temperature of Srinagar. This is your answer number 4. Is that clear to everyone? Because -2 is less than the 3 degrees Celsius. So part 2 is not possible. That's why I have written here. Therefore, the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together is not less than the temperature of Srinagar. Because Srinagar is -2 and together is +3. So +3 is bigger amount than -2. Clear?